I'm going to show a bunch of time-saving keyboard shortcuts with Microsoft Teams. And the first one is open all the shortcuts with Control period. And that brings up the list of all the shortcuts, the general ones, navigation, messaging, meetings, and calls. And I'm going to start with my favorite, which is meetings and calls. So I'm going to close this and go to the calendar. The first place I'll go is into a meeting. So I'm going to hit join, and I'm going to join this meeting. My favorite shortcut is the mute. So if I do Control-Shift-M, it'll mute my microphone. And Control-Shift-M unmutes it. So I can go mute and unmute. Super easy. The other one is show your video camera. Control-Shift-O. Hey! Turn it off. Control-Shift-O. Control-Shift-O. Hey! And turn it off. Then there's blur. So if my camera's on and I do Control-Shift-P, blur my background. Turn it off, Control-Shift-P again. So on, off, pretty cool. Control-Shift-O, goodbye. Those are my top 3 favorites in meetings, so let's stop now. Another great one in the main Teams area is zooming in and zooming out. So with Control equals, I can zoom in, so 120%, 145. I can make it really big. Now Control minus goes backwards, so now I zoom out, and I can go all the way back. I can also make it really small with Control minus. So now you can see all the tabs across the top, but it's pretty tiny. So Control equals to zoom in and Control minus to zoom out. The other useful ones are to move across this little app bar here. So Control 1, go to my activity. Control 2, go to chat. Control 3, look at all my teams. Control 4 is assignments. Control 5 is calendar. Control 6 is calls. So that's just a quick tour of the super useful shortcuts in Microsoft Teams.